Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Adobe Creative Cloud login problems, license and account errors step by step clearly. First, check your internet connection and confirm you can open other secure websites normally. Close all Adobe apps and the Creative Cloud desktop app completely from the system tray or menu bar. Restart your computer to clear temporary processes that may block sign in. Open Creative Cloud and verify you are using the correct Adobe ID email address. If you use Google, Apple, Facebook, or Microsoft sign-in, choose the same provider you used when you first created the account. Turn off any VPN, proxy, or corporate filtering temporarily because it can break Adobe authentication. Check your computer date, time, and time zone, then set them to automatic and try again. Update the Creative Cloud desktop app by downloading the latest installer from Adobe's official website. Update your operating system and install all pending security updates, then retry the login. Open a browser and sign in at account.adobe.com to confirm your account works outside the app. If the browser login fails, reset your password and then sign in again in Creative Cloud. If the browser login works but the app fails, sign out of Creative Cloud and sign back in. If sign out is not possible, force quit Creative Cloud and reopen it, then try again. Clear the Creative Cloud cache by closing the app and deleting the OOBE folder on your system. On Windows, go to c:\users/yourname/appdata/local/adobe/OOB and remove the folder. On macOS, go to /users/yourname/library application support Adobe/OOB and remove the folder. Reopen Creative Cloud and sign in again to rebuild fresh login files. Fix license errors by checking your plan status at account.adobe.com under Plans and Payments. If your plan is expired or payment failed, update payment details and wait a few minutes for sync. If you have an active plan but still see no subscription, click Help and choose Sign Out, then sign in again. If you are on a company or school account, confirm you are using the correct organization profile after login. Check that your device limit is not exceeded by signing out of old devices in your Adobe account. Repair the host's file by removing entries that block Adobe domains, then save and restart. On Windows, open Notepad as admin and check c:\windows/system32/drivers/etc/hosts for Adobe blocks. On macOS, check /etc/hosts and remove any lines that redirect Adobe activation servers. Run the Adobe Creative Cloud Cleaner tool to remove broken licensing components, then reinstall Creative. After reinstalling, open Creative Cloud first, sign in, and only then install your Adobe apps. If the error continues, Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.